shall arrest them unapologetically. If you can't explain where the money went when Dr. Chakwera was being sworn in, yes, Malawians are going to arrest you. I was talking about your side because your side is full of thieves, it's full of killers, it's full of people who don't know what they are doing. And I can give you proof for the money.
She said, I face an arrest. In her statement, you can rewind it, it's on Hansard. She said, I face an arrest. I want her to explain what arrest is she talking about and who will she be arresting me as. I want to know. I don't take threats lightly, Madam Speaker. You can go to the Hansard. I want her to explain what wrong I have done to face an arrest coming from the Honorable Minister. My life is in danger, Madam Speaker. I want her to explain what wrong I have committed by responding to the budget as people of Blantyre City Southeast. I represent, she does not represent a constituency. She represents her maid at home and her kids. She does not represent a constituency. I am talking on behalf of my constituency, and I want her to explain, Madam Speaker, rule on this. She said it live, it's recorded, that I face an arrest. Please, Madam Speaker, I need an explanation. She's not an MP. She cannot come in here and tell me what to do. I am in charge. I am in charge here. And Madam Speaker, politics to please the president have not helped Malawi. They will not help Malawi.